How to connect Govee to SignalRGB. So if you want to go ahead and connect your lights to your SignalRGB, make sure your device is already connected to the Govee mobile app. So just go ahead with the process first. But once you do that, go to the device that you want to connect and you should be able to see a cog icon on the top right. There's something you're going to have to enable first before you go to SignalRGB. So press on that and press on LAN control, which is this. So toggle that on. So you're gonna have to press on confirm on this, but make sure it's enabled. This way, you should be able to connect or have control with the Govee device on your SignalRGB. But once you've done that, just go ahead to your SignalRGB and then go ahead to your devices. And if you are connected to the same connection and internet as you are in the Govee app or the Govee device, you should be able to see the Govee device over here automatically. It's gonna connect yourself directly, and you don't need to add anything else. But you can also go ahead and manually specify an IP address as well if you'd like. But again, if you've already connected it to the same connection, it should just automatically pop out here and you'll be able to control it in your SignalRGB. But that's pretty much how you do this procedure. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.